hello. It is Decor Day today on Cityline. We have got bathroom updates that are going to make a real splash. Please welcome Karen Seeley. Come on in here. Look at you, hot legs.
Hey! Hello.
Look what you brought down for us.
I know, some very exciting plumbing.
Yeah, okay. Well, I know that you like to talk about the nuts and bolts. I kind of like the pretty. And I know as a designer, you probably love doing bathrooms because you just get so much bang for your buck when you renovate a bathroom. Look at these bathtubs.
Aren't they gorgeous? Like, they're sculptural. And the nice thing is, now that we're renovating bathrooms, a lot of people are stealing a little bit of room from the neighboring bedroom or a closet.
Yes.
And so now we can make that really beautiful, luxurious space. So if you're doing that, you can look at getting rid of one of those alcove tubs and moving to one of these beautiful freestanding. And the great news is the price point has come way down.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, so then we saw a lot of solid surfaces that were very expensive. These are about the quarter of the price of a solid surface.
Nice.
So these tubs are starting at about $1,200, $1,500.
Yeah.
And they come, the nice thing is they do come in that 5-foot length. So if you're stuck and you need to stick within that original footprint of the bathroom and have that 5-foot tub, you can now do it in one of your freestanding tubs, which
They're
is
still
amazing.
gonna fit.
They still fit.
In the past, were freestanding tubs a lot bigger?
They were bigger. I think most of them also were wider. So part of the issue wasn't just the length, it was also the width.
Yeah.
And the nice thing about this being acrylic is very durable, it's scratch resistant. You can buff out any scratches. It's gonna keep this amazing gloss for a lifetime. And they're lightweight.
Oh, good. So
and
you and I
warm
could
to the
just pick one
touch.
up right now?
Yeah, oh yeah. Actually, we could.
Can we really?
Look.
Oh my gosh, we can.
I know, I'm not even joking.
That's pretty cool.
And the great thing about these tubs too is the rough fin, which I'm going to get technical for a second, so stick with me.
Yeah.
But the rough fin is actually above the floor.
Okay.
So this may not mean a lot to people at home, but it means a lot to your plumber. Your plumber is going to love you for this because it means it's actually easier to install. We're not digging into that floor. We're not cutting floor joists. So this is awesome. This is an awesome feature.
I get that.
And then we have these beautiful faucets, and there's so many options in faucets. So this is a Hansgrohe. It's an award-winning faucet. It has this great little joystick, which makes it really fun even for the kids. Be careful.
That's great.
Might become a bit of a game.
And look at the shower head too.
Isn't
I
that
mean,
beautiful?
this is so high tech. It's beautiful, like very streamlined.
And what a great look.
Nice.
So, and the tubs are all from Mirlin. The Hansgrohe, this faucet here is from Hansgrohe.
Very nice.
And then the thing I love about this tub, so that was the slate, this is the cruise.
Yeah.
This has a wide, what we call deck here. And the reason for that is now we can actually mount a faucet here.
Oh, nice.
So you don't have to, these floor standing faucets are gorgeous, but they can be expensive.
Right.
So the nice thing about this is you can actually get this beautiful freestanding tub, a 5-foot length, fits in an old, alcove.
Yeah.
And you can do a deck mounted faucet and save some money.
Lovely.
Which is really great.
Then you have the luxury and a little bit of convenience as well, because there is something a little bit luxurious about a freestanding tub, right?
Yes.
You feel like you're at a spa.
And you know what? This is a 2-piece tub, and one of the things important to know is the whole thing is acrylic.
Okay.
Some of the 2-piece tubs have a gel coat top and then an acrylic base, and so the gel coat can fade. So, and then you might have an issue where the top is a different color than the base.
Yeah.
So this is a really great feature because you're getting all acrylic.
Both acrylic.
Yeah.
Okay. Lovely. This is my favorite.
Isn't this gorgeous?
I just want to swim in there.
Well, you know what? Here's an important thing to think about. Is it a tub for one, a tub for two? And you can
tub
see
for
how
4.
gorgeous this would be, a tub for 4.
Yeah, well, in my house.
It'd be tight, depending on how big, the people are.
2 little ones, 2 big ones.
So you're fine then. You can all fit in here. So the great thing about this tub is you can see it's really nicely designed for 2 people to sit comfortably.
Gorgeous.
You've got this gorgeous backrest, and do feel it. Because that is, again, one of the nice things about acrylic.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
warm to the touch. Whereas you get into some of those cast iron tubs or some of the solid surface tubs, they're actually cold.
Yeah.
And so you have to heat them up, and when you go to lean on the back, you ever do that? You get in the tub, you're like, and you put your back against it, it's cold.
Absolutely.
So this is great that way. These tubs all come with the built-in waste and overflow, and it's a touch. So when you're filling the tub, you just like reach down and touch it, click, and there you go, it's sealed, and fill up that tub.
that's
So super simple.
cool.
So you don't have to buy, it used to be that we have to buy all these additional bits.
Right.
So it's all integrated,
Oh, I love
which is
that.
really nice.
Nice. And you've got also the freestanding, the floor
Yes, this is
faucet
from
there.
Brizo, and this faucet is, again, very sculptural. This is the Barrage, not Mirage, it's a Barrage, But the thing that's really interesting about this one is this can pivot. So if you've left the tub, you've turned it off, and you're worried about drips and everything, if you pivot it, all the drips drips will go right into the tubs. You're not worried about that at all.
That's great. It's not going to ruin your floors or anything like that.
No.
Okay, gorgeous.
And if you're doing something like this too, you might want to consider in your design to orient it so that you can actually see, because what you can't see right now is how it floats down to the floor and has these beautiful sculptural lines. If you're going to spend the money on something like this, don't feel like you have to put the tub against the wall and then you're not seeing the base of this. You might want to consider putting it on an angle so that you can see how beautiful this faucet is, because it's a jewel in the space.
Absolutely. It's gorgeous. So these are over here showers, right?
Yes.
I assume. So we're going to be looking at the doors because there's something very space age about this.
Oh, this is great. So you might, for example, be doing a renovation, and maybe you say, okay, we'll have a bath in one of the bathrooms, and maybe in the other bathroom, maybe we'll get rid of the tub and we're going to put in a custom shower.
Okay.
Which is great. So it's nice to have a bathtub, for the kids and everything, and resale value. But if you're a shower person and you're mainly taking showers, something like this is awesome. And the thing that's amazing about these doors are squeeze. And it's a do-it-yourself install, and you can literally put them in 10 minutes with no power tools.
Really?
So they come compressed. You kind of undo them, you put them in place, they get tight again, and then you just tighten it up, and then it's done. And they start in 4-foot widths and go up to 6-foot widths in 6-inch increments. And the thing that's amazing too about this glass, and one of the reasons I love it, is during the tempering, they're actually putting this easy, clean glass protection on it.
Okay.
So now when you finish your shower, you don't have to squeegee every time, because it actually repels the soap scum in the water.
Yeah.
Very similar to what happens on your car, on the hood of your car, how it just beads off.
Right.
So the same thing's happening now with this glass. So now you don't have to squeegee every morning. You still have to clean it, but you don't have to squeegee every morning.
Okay, I wasn't squeegeeing every morning, but that's good to know that if you were, you don't have to do that
I
anymore.
do. I squeegee every morning.
Squeegee every morning.
I do, I know.
Oh, good for you. Okay, just really quickly, this gorgeous, beautiful sink.
Blue Bathworks. This sink
my
is
gosh.
amazing. So this
nice.
This sink can come in a matte or a gloss, and you can see this beautiful embossed finish here. You
Yeah.
can actually customize this.
Okay.
And so the nice thing about this is that, again, this material, you can buff out scratches and everything, so it's very durable.
Yeah.
And if you want to do a beautiful customized solution, you can. It starts at about $1,200. This one's called the box.
Yes.
And if you get an emboss, it's around $1,800. But what a
Beautiful.
gorgeous statement in a washroom.
Absolutely. That is a standout piece.